For the rest of this week's homework, you'll be answering some questions on the slides. On slide 1 here, the question number 1 is related to question number 2. So first, you'll please click it here and add fractions that fit the pies. Then you'll answer question number 2. How do you know which fraction is less? And please use these words to help you answer the question. Compare, less, smaller, and part. Your answer to that question will go here in sentences. When you click to slide 2, I made the sentences for you. You'll have to put your answers, please, in the text boxes which are at the end of the sentences. Please read through the learn part or the example and then answer questions 1 and 2. Then once you click on slide 3, I'm going to explain this to you so that you understand. I need you to first get to the text box tool. So you'll click on the text box tool, and that's what's going to help you make text boxes like the ones I have here. Those text boxes will be movable. Okay, see how I'm moving it off and I can move it on? All right, but you're going to make a text box around each one of the fractions that are listed. So for example, I wrote a text box around 1/2. Then I made a text box around 2/4. That's this here. And if I move it, you'll see that that's that. Then I made a text box around 3/5. There's my text box. A text box around 4/8. There's my text box. Now I didn't have sevenths here, but I did make a text box around 5/10. So I can see that the question is asking circle all the equivalent fractions in a row. So I see that these fractions are equivalent. 3/5 is not one of those, so I don't need that box anymore. That's why these are circled. Now to circle, you'll use the scribble tool, and the scribble tool has the ability to add circles. That's how you'll indicate for me, like in row 2, which one of these are equivalent. You'll have to make the text boxes around all the fractions first. So after you finish the first question, just delete the other text boxes so they don't get in your way. Okay, and as usual, you can comment to me or your parents can email me if you have difficulty with that problem.